So today I'm going to show you how to make this cute bag. It's simple with all this cute texture. The best stitch ever. Look at this. Just look at this. This is my first time making something like this. It is so cute. The texture. Look at the texture. See? And you can barely see through. It's so cute. So this is called the lemon peel stitch, and I am in love with this. I am in love with this. I'll be making a bag with this stitch right here, and I made one square already. I'll be showing you how I made the second square and how the bag will look like. So hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Vicentia. You can call me Crochet Babes. And on Crochet Babes, we just crochet for fun. I'm here on YouTube to just document myself, showing you how much I love crochet. Look at the stitch again. Look at it. So cute. And I bought this on Amazon. It's a thick yarn, a 100% cotton yarn. So let's make a chain of 10 inches. I always use my measurement because I know not everybody have the same yarn that I have. So let's use our measurement to make this bag. So let's chain 10 inches, okay? Okay. So when we get to the 10 inches, we will make a double crochet in the third stitch. So this is where everything begins. In the next stitch, we will be making a single crochet. And in the next, we will make a double crochet. In the next will be a single crochet. So everything will be single crochet and double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. So let's do single crochet, double crochet all the way till we get here, okay? Okay, so when you get to the end, see, we will turn your work and then chain 2. So when you see a single crochet, you have to put double crochet on it. When you see a double crochet, you put single crochet. So it's like opposite. So the first one is double crochet. So I'm going to put a single crochet in there. And the next is single crochet. So I'll put a double crochet in there. The next one is double crochet. So I'll put single crochet in there. And the next is single crochet, so I'll put double crochet in there. The next one is double crochet, so I'm going to put single crochet in there. So you get the point of what we are doing is double crochet goes with single crochet and single crochet goes with double crochet. So that's what we'll be doing throughout. So we'll be repeating this till we get 8 inches. When you get to the end, you're going to chain 1, 2, then you turn your work and repeat the same thing. Any stitch that has the single crochet goes with double crochet. The next stitch with double crochet goes with single crochet. So the next one is single crochet, so I'll put double crochet in there. The next one is double, I'll put single. The next one is single, I'll put double crochet. The next one is double, I'll put single crochet. The next one is single, I'm going to put double crochet in there. So we will be repeating this stitch. So the bag consists of 3 parts, and we have done the 2 parts, which is the front and the back. So we're going to make the side of the bag. So I'll show you how I did that. I'll be using this material to do it, this yarn.